Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to add a website link to your Instagram bio in 2026. Stay with me until the end of the video and let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, step 1, open Instagram. After open Instagram, click your profile. After click your profile, click edit profile. After creating your edit profile, you can add link or website in bio. Click add link, click add link, URL and title. For example, this is my YouTube link. Copy, copy, and URL paste. Okay, my URL and website and title. For example, my YouTube channel. Okay, and tick option. So very good. Our link has been successful. Okay, this is very easy. The link has been added. Please like the video and subscribe. Nice Tech channel. Good luck.